In a bit, we'll tell you some salient features to consider when buying seat gap fillers. But first, you should know that a seemingly innocuous mistake like choosing the wrong space filler for your car might mean the literal difference between life and death. Yes, we mean to scare the living daylights out of you to get you to pay close attention. From the looks of it worked. To choose from, there are a variety of car seat gap filler, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best car seat gap filler from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. As the name suggests, drop stop gap fillers exist to stop drops. No more dropped popcorn, no more dropped phones, and no more dropped keys. We could go on and on. This option contains 2 drop gap fillers for the driver and co-pilot seats, and a slide-free pad that keeps your phone from sliding around while driving. Also featured is a bonus LED credit card light that won't distract you or impact your overall driving experience. Your product must be rock solid to sway Shark Tank's ruthlessly realistic investors and get them to invest millions of dollars. And that's what DropStop did. We picked this option as our best overall, owing to the supreme functionality it provides customers, along with its incredible value. Number 2. Supin Car Seat Gap Filler. What immediately strikes us about the Supin Gap Filler is its unconventional design. At first glance, you might think it's a gavel of sorts with its long slender arms and detachable coffee holder head. The cup loop remains flat at the end too, so it won't disrupt your comfort while sitting. We like this one a lot and hope you will too. This option from Supin has a smooth padded leather finish that comes in different colors. You can match your seat color with the gap filler too, so it naturally blends in. Nobody would know it's an accessory if you don't tell them. The leather arm also has a strap for seat belt insertion, ensuring no interference with the everyday use of your seat belts. Number 3. iExtra Car Seat Gap Filler. The iExtra looks like the product of a meticulous, forward-thinking, and well-thought-out creative process. No wonder it has features we've never seen anywhere else. Features like a USB port for charging your devices and a double cup holder design. With as many compartments as rooms in a historic mansion, you'll never have to worry about cluttered center spaces that can make driving inconvenient. Did we remember to add that it has a finished, durable plastic design with high-quality impact resistance? Number 4. Lusso Car Seat Gap Filler. If cars had leather purses or wallets of their own, they'd look exactly like these gap fillers by Lusso. They're like oversized wallets you can tuck in the crevice between your seat and the center console. They also include foam spacers, improving their stability inside the gaps, while doubling as compartments in the wallet space. Anything you can store in your pocket wallet can be stored here. Cash, phone, keys, and identification and insurance information, to name just a few. Their durability is over the top too, even considering that they're leather products. You probably won't be carrying them around too much either, so this option will last for a great deal of time. Number 5. Busift Car Seat Gap Filler. The Busift Car Seat Gap Filler is one of the more impressive market offerings, especially given the close to $24 price point. The organizer at the top is divided into several components, so you have different spaces for your phone, wallet, cards, car keys, and whatever else you're carrying. There's even a smart control chip built into the device for extra safety, preventing short circuits, overheating, and overvoltage. However, if the distance between the top of your center console and the top of your seat is more than 2 inches, this filler won't work for you. Nevertheless, for most vehicles, the fit should be just fine. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.